Justin Lewis. Microjet, high-performance, aerobatic, single-seat, low-wing, all-metal, jet-powered aircraft. Built from an amateur boat-builder kit. Look at The design was originally developed in the 1970s by Jim Beatty of Beatty Aircraft. Designed as the PD-5, it was a public sensation. Few home builders dreamed of owning a high-performance propeller or jet aircraft at a fraction of the normal cost. The PD-5 was dubbed the world's smallest jet, and quickly earned a reputation as James Bond's jet when it was featured in the movie Octopussy. Through the years, few airshow teams have captivated fans all over the world, but today, very few fly the PD-5s. Very few of them still exist. Unfortunately, because the aircraft was well ahead of its time, it proved too difficult to build for most enthusiasts. BD Aircraft Inc. closed its doors just a few years later. 1992, Skeeter, Richard Carnes, started BD Microtechnology and began a long journey to update the BD-5 with today's technology using current building techniques. And after many years of research and development, EMT has successfully incorporated many improved design features in an aircraft lineup called the Flight Line Series or FLS kits. Today, Justin's a certified airline transport pilot and currently flying the A-10C as a traditional guardsman. And on weekends, the tiny FLS Microjet, a far cry from his Tomcat days. However, that doesn't mean he doesn't have a thing and a need for speed. As you'll see, he's laid it down with Chris Darnell, and spooling up to the right is the incredible 3-jet engine Shockwave. So here comes the photo pass, your best chance to catch the FLS Microjet in the sky. From the left, there it is, as the Shockwave spools up to take him on in a race. Top speed in the Microjet, 320 miles an hour. 13 feet in length. 460 pounds of flying speed. 860 with him and 30 gallons of jet fuel on board. He's about to take on the very impressive Shockwave. Listen to the three afterburners kick in. Rocket for smoke. Not only horsepower, we're talking lots of thrust. Darnell Racing Enterprises rebuilding the famous Shockwave Jet Truck. Now that's horsepower. Don't you just want one of those things? Fire-breathing tailgate me, buddy. Meanwhile, up above, Justin is Chad. Look at him coming in nice and tight, fast. But does he have enough to do this, do you think, folks? He's going to get a jump. He's going to get 150, I'd say almost a 300 mile an hour jump start if he times it absolutely right. Top speed of the Shockwave, it can touch almost 400 miles an hour. It can accelerate at the same rate as the space shuttle did. It needs parachutes to get stopped. You wouldn't dare touch brakes at that speed. It holds world records. No other jet vehicle has 3 jet engines. All of that thrust and horsepower equal the ability to achieve over 300 miles an hour in less than 4 seconds. Let's watch as they get ready to race. Who here thinks Justin Lewis can nail this in the Microjet? Show of hands. Who do you think is going to win? Justin Lewis? How many, show of hands, think it's the Shockwave? Let's watch and see. Justin's dropping down now, building up every bit of speed and energy he can get. He's turning that little jet engine up. He's got about 300 miles an hour on indicator once he flattens out and drops down. Here he comes. He'll come out of the smoke. We've got ourselves a race. Here we go!
truck jumped the gun, I tell you.
Really?
Oh yeah. I think we're going to have to do that again tomorrow.
He's very unlikely to be able to do it right now today with the shooting.
No, not today. Once, you know.
Folks, tomorrow we do it again. And the rubber match, should there be a tie, is on Sunday. You want to come back and see the Shockwave. There's Justin. Give him a wave. In the Microjet, your last pass before he lands on